So one of my favorite products that I've reviewed this year, it's actually a product, it's not, you may think not overly exciting, but one that I've been using a ton over the last month, especially, is the large 25,000 milliamp hour battery by these guys, INIU. I don't know how to pronounce it. I'm not even going to try. Maybe it's just letters. I don't know. But I use it all the time, 25,000 milliamp hours, and its output is like 65 watts or something out of a battery brick. I think it's 65, maybe 100. Now I can't even remember. I'm gonna have to look. 65 watts. And it's actually this battery right here. And like I said, I use it all. I travel with it. I put it in the back of my motorcycle. I charge stuff upstairs with it. I run my laptop off of it. Fantastic. On my last trip that I did on the motorcycle, I would actually have my laptop in my back case. My laptop would be plugged into this so that it could be charging while we were riding. Fantastic. So good. They just sent us this, and it is the, again, INIU 3-in-1 wireless charger. It's the WI222 Air Fuel 10 watt. So that is this. So it's a foldable charger. And we've seen these before, but right now, 25 reviews, 5 stars, it looks like, 40 bucks. You can do your Apple Watch, looks like a pair of AirPods, and your phone. So has a little bit of fold-up features. Does it come with a cable? Maybe. I guess we'll see. So what we'll do is we'll come back here, we'll look at all the specs on their website, then we'll crack this open and try it out. Okay, and this is one of my favorite things is with these foldable style of chargers, is just like they say, for those of us especially that are Apple users, one charger. You just bring one charger with you. How awesome is that? Something for your watch, something for your phone, something for your AirPods, whatever they're called. And a lot of times too, that one there, the AirPod one, I'll have to look, but depending on your earbuds that you have, some of them will just fit there even if they're not AirPods. Good old Apple AirPods. Oh yes. So yeah, that's my favorite thing. Fold is a compact charger. This one, see, I like that because some of the other ones, they're talking about the fact that they're not the first out with this kind of style, but like a lot of companies, when you're not first, you get a chance to make improvements, which is kind of nice. I'm not sure what this is doing. Oh, you can do it that way or that way. Very cool. There's all your goodness. Right? No longer a worry when you have limited outlets. True that. And if you have a see-through purse, you're good. Yes. And what does this say? Others. Oh, I see what they're saying. If you don't have one that folds, right? Maybe it is a folding one. I'm not too sure. We'll take a look. Anyways, we'll take a look. Here it is. So 3-in-1 wireless charger. Not a whole lot on the box. It's actually got more weight to it than I kind of expected it to have, to be honest with you. It's not like heavy, but it's also, feels like it has some substance. And for whatever reason, things that are light, you always think that they're cheap. Things that have a little bit of weight to them, you're like, oh, well built. If I was to build something, I don't even care if it was heavy or not. I just put weights in it, so it's felt heavy. Because then you're like, ooh, that's quality right there. There's your email support if you need support for it, I guess. You get a welcome guide. Is there much to this? Probably not. Unfold it. That's unreadable. To be honest with you, that stuff there, whatever that is, there's no way someone's reading that. Wow. And if you can. Good on you. Oh yeah. Quick start guide. Okay. What does it say? Unfold it. This is how you can stand it this way or this way or some other way, possibly. Oh, that's nice. So I will say it's a little tiny bit bigger, I would say, than some of the other folding chargers that I've tried, for sure. This also comes out of its box somehow. I'll figure it out. There you go. But it comes with a little charger brick. They don't always do that. Ah, that's nice. Comes with one. And of course, USB-C. That's nice. And I'm guessing this is a charging cable. So decent length. It's not braided or anything. Would love to have seen a braided cable, but I'm nitpicking a little bit. But there you go. Seems good. Seems all right. And here's your, so a lot of them that I've seen, that I've used, are trifold. Yes, so they kind of, one folds in this way, one folds in this way. So it ends up being a little smaller like this way. Yes, so each of these would have been in its own fold. But I think because, see how that's lifted? Maybe you guys can see that. See how that's lifted right there in here? Which is nice because the camera bump isn't going, do I have my phone? Yeah. The camera bump isn't going to be an issue, you know? So you can sit that there. Again, the magnet is nice and strong, right? Doesn't matter how you do it. I'm down with that. Well, that's solid. I'm guessing that's a light because a lot of them don't have lights, and that's always been an issue. Or they have really, really small. That's my really small. See that? Really small lights on them. This looks like it might have a good size light. I wonder if it changes color. This is your instructions, and I wonder does this have a? No, it would be cool. It probably doesn't, but I was like, it would be cool as if this could just snap onto your back of your. Well, I guess it could snap on. What is that? Oh, that's the try. Because a lot of, like I said, remember how I said the other ones are like half this? So they're really small. So what happens is if you want to be able to set it like in this orientation where it's up in like portrait mode, you kind of can't because the magnet is not there and it's not big enough to attach. This has, see this? Has this little clicky thing here. So this comes up. I'm guessing it sits like so, depending on how you want to do it, right? So you have, it's not a crazy strong magnet, but strong enough that it shouldn't slide. So now you could take this and set it like that, right? You guys, maybe you see it? Yes? I want to make sure I'm doing it right. Yeah, I'm doing it right. I'm doing it right. Right, so you got it like that, or you could turn it and have it like this, so you guys can see it like that, right? Right? Maybe you just want to watch a flick. Put that off to the side. You know, boom. Here's what I wonder. I wonder if that. I have a flight coming up at the end of November. I wonder. Here's my wonder. I wonder if you could put this in your seat, like the what you call it in front of you. You know what I'm talking about. The tray, the whatever. You slide this in, and then your phone could sit like this. You know, so it's kind of like its own little holder. I'm gonna try that. I'm curious. Or tuck this in somewhere so that it happens. I'm giving that a try. Anyways, this is coming back here. We're just gonna put that like that. I do like that. That works good. You know, depending on how you want that. What else does it say here? Does it say anything else? I'm trying back to this quick start guide here. We got that phone there. So that's the stand basically is, we're only going to use it really when we want to watch something. When we don't want to watch something and we want to just charge stuff, of course, that's when this is going to get folded down and you're going to kind of lay it. You could either lay it this way or you could fold it this way and charge it. Maybe you're only charging one thing, right? But if you're charging more than one thing, you come here, you got your wireless for your earbuds, right? And then you got your phone and, sorry, your watch. And if you need to, you can pop this up this way so you can have it sitting off to the side. So nowadays, especially, you put this in like nightstand mode. That would be nice too with this. It doesn't do it, you know. I wonder, could you set it like this? Because if you could get it charging this way, maybe you can. I'm going to find out. If you could get it charging that way, then it could go in nightstand mode, right? If you could set it, I don't know. It's not like crazy magnet enough. Oh, I guess it could. Yeah, sure. So you get it sitting like this, you stand this up, get your watch on there. I'm going to put it over here. So now you got this. My only worry is the magnet's not crazy strong, right? On the back here. But I think it would, if you just kind of left it there, you should be fine. And then because the iPhone now has, you know, that mode where you at night where it kind of has the like your clock and weather stuff that comes up on it while it's charging in nightstand mode, so that you can, I use it all the time actually. That's nice. And then you could have your watch over on this side. Okay, no, that's, you know what, that's great. It's great. And then if I had this plugged in, where is the plug-in? Here's the issue now with the plug-in. Where is it? Oh no, okay, we're okay. It's on the side. Okay, so let's say we have it here. Okay, maybe you guys will see this. Charging. So if it was sitting like this, see, there's that mode. See it? Right? And then you can switch this around. See, I want the clock, temperature, date. And what happens is when it goes dark, this changes color. It goes into like a red, so you can see it, but it's not putting out all this crazy light. Yeah, that would work actually, because then you got like you can have your phone up. I like that actually, because most of the time when you're traveling, you bring a charger like this and you end up having it flat. And then of course this feature here you can't even use anyway because it's flat, right? And then you can have your watch on this side. I like it. I like it. All right, guys, 40 bucks. 40 bucks. And just be aware, if you are looking at charging like a non-Apple pair of, you know, earbuds, just be aware it may not work. It may not fit because it's designed for AirPods, earbuds, Apple buds, you know what I'm talking about. If that's a thing, they will still charge on this for sure, but just be aware that, you know, they may not fit perfectly on there. All right, guys, I'll put links to their shop where you guys can take a look. I'll also see if there's Amazon listing, and that's it. They make good gear. I like it. All right, guys, that's it. We'll see you tomorrow. Next video. Later.